Hi guys, welcome to Hello Neighbor. We're recording, so play. This thing we're gonna be messing around like the other times. It'll be a lot shorter, so like kind of organizing my house a little. Turn on, play with all my water. Put that on, turn on. Yep. I'm gonna do these glasses. What in that nature space? Did I hit him or did I hit him now? I think I hit him in the head. We don't need fancy ages because we only have 2 seasons. Before some, no, it's probably his dad and the family. They will probably eat on the couch and watch this. Oh yeah, I should get the TV out. Because he's going to be going around on the TV because he watches TV all day. So I got it. They're good. Perfect. But we need to get more. Okay. The cable box I threw over here last time. Pick up a YouTube channel. No, I picked up Morgs. This is a stupid neighbor. Nobody's window with trash. You saw me? Oh, you should have saw me. Then I'm going to break your window with garbage. That is the most annoying thing ever. But, we are not going to really get any progress done. But, just saying, I am not going to be really doing anything, and this time you could hear me unlike the other time. But this one will probably be way shorter though. For like a couple minutes maybe. I need to do this in every Hello Neighbor video, but just hit the middle of that. See the button with the tap icon? It only makes a noise sometimes, but like just spam it and it'll be so funny. Okay, but we would actually organize my house. It's pretty ugly because so when I just move everything, I can pick up like to the front yard. I'll just say it'll be organized in place. It'll be beautiful. So we're gonna just put them out on the steps. Okay, so which is also means we have to pick up my dad's TV. BAP. Or the phone. BAP that right there. Everything in this fridge. Pictures. I'm just gonna take a couple things at once. So I'm gonna take you, I'm gonna take and then I'm gonna take that. Oh, it's knowledge. So and then I'm just gonna do all these. They was probably like, dude, this guy's trying to break in my house and organize his house. Organize your house. You don't need to take my stuff. Or you don't need to break in my house. I'm not gonna really break in this guy's house because I feel a little bad for him. But yeah. I don't think there's anything interactable here, but this counts. Okay, so Then we need milk. I don't even care if it gets cold. Because do I really care? Mug too. So, you know. Bap. 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 Now, why is the phone glitched? Well, put you back there. Like that. In the doorway. So we don't want parents to get stupid TV. I don't want my parents to come home and they'll be like, oh my gosh, why is a phone in the middle of a walkway? Good enough. Including chairs. So I'm gonna grab this. Oh my gosh. Perfect. You should be able to pick this up. Dude, I'm strong. I think I'm weak. So if they're not able to pick a laptop, yeah, pretty much. Is that? It's just so sad finding spam like that for like 12 minutes straight. But we have to go upstairs now. We'll go. We're going to just keep it warm upstairs. We're in it. There's like nothing upstairs, so. Can I look at this poster? No, I do that. Head down. Poop. Better be boop pal. I think we're good. My new house. Beautiful. Wait. Mr. Ugly. I want to shoot on. Oh, this is the kind of one. This is. Huh? Did you know there used to be a glitch that the neighbor would like chase you down into your own house? But I might want to end it here because I said it was going to be short because I didn't know what to do that much this video, so I may end it in like a couple minutes. So this book is run down now. My chair. No, I can't steal my chair. I have to steal my mom's. Mom's chair looks ugly. Ha 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 ha. Give me my chair back. My mom. The mom in this game. It's in the bedroom, but he's just mad for me just crossing across this. Even if I want to ring his doorbell, he'd be mad. Like it's just ring his doorbell, and I'm not lying. Just ring his doorbell. He's like, get the heck off me lawn, man. I swear I could hit this. Give me $10. I bet you $100. I can. You guys bet me $100. Guys, you guys give me $100 if I hit this. Gotta line the shot up so perfect. Video. No, I missed. Nice. Okay, but that's it for today. I don't know what to do. See you guys next time.